Hi, it's your friend Ben. Today you're getting a personal tour of my new listing at 3121 Rocky Mountain Drive, here in the heart of the woods of Russell Creek. This is the kind of home that'll make you stop the scroll. Let's check it out. First impressions are so important. This one is open, it's bright, it's sunny, with a real nice vibe, floor-to-ceiling windows with custom shades throughout. The flow is so inviting. You can go from family room to kitchen and breakfast room, making everyday life easy and entertaining nights even easier. Y'all, this kitchen, amazing. We've got countertop space here for days. We've got an island that we just painted, which really helps the quartz counter vein really pop. Ceramic tile backsplash that makes cleaning simple and easy. Here, you can cook with confidence. Upstairs, we've got this very large game room, kid zone, adulting area, very versatile space. Do with it what you'd like. And this pool, it was resurfaced in 2024 with new tile and jets. All the big ticket items here have been maintained and taken care of. New roof, gutters, siding, turf yard here, an irrigation system that even makes watering your yard kind of high-techy. This home checks all the boxes. Spacious interior floor plan, an Oasis style pool. All the heavy lifting has been done, which means less work for you. And it's in a prime Plano location. So if you're ready to see 3121 Rocky Mountain Drive, give me a call, 214-801-8800.